Hello, good day. We are members of Globe for Latin America and the Caribbean began a regional collaborative project called Developing Awareness about Impacts on Land Cover Produced by Enso Phenomena and Human Activities. Participating in this research are Uruguay, Argentina, and Peru. The participants from Argentina are high school students from Buenos Aires, the college Carmen Arriola de Marín, with teacher María Inés Amato, and from Junín de los Andes, Sei San Ignacio, with the teacher María Eugenia Bertossi and the teacher Ana Beatriz Prieto. From Peru, the participants are Globe Group from National Agrarian University La Molina, with the teacher Claudia Caro Vera.
Of Uruguay, participated Scientific Club Venticos, Globe alumni, with our teacher Patricia Pires. He started the project from several observations.
Number 1. Our countries are frequently impacted by Enso phenomena. Number 2. Apparently, the impact of Enso phenomena is not the same in Argentina, Uruguay, and Peru. Number 3. Human growth is changed habitats around the world.
From this observation were generated big questions.
For example, how does Enso phenomena change the land cover in our countries? Is the magnitude of change different in each one of our countries? How do human activities impact the land cover? In this research, raised the following hypotheses. Number 1. La Niña phenomena negatively influence the NVDI index and El Niño phenomena positively influence the NVDI index. Number 2. During El Niño phenomena, the numbers of days with temperature above 0 degrees Celsius melt the ice cover. Number 3. Big change on land cover occur due to the influence of human activities.
General objectives of the project. These projects include opportunities to promote ongoing work between countries involved through face-to-face interactions and using online resources such as video conferencing for meetings and other ICT tools.
The research plan does not only include different countries but also incorporates different levels of education: elementary, secondary, and university. This involves constant coordination and a large commitment from the participating teachers and students.
Methodology. Select study sites between 10 degrees and 40 degrees south with influence from the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean.
Select sites are marked with red dots.
Study sites. Municipal Natural Park, North Riverside, San Isidro, Buenos Aires, Argentina.
National Park Lanín, Junín of the Andes, Neuquén, Argentina.
Junín National Reserve, Codepartment, Peru.
Grotto of Lourdes, Coast Creek, Miguelete, Montevideo, Uruguay.
Methodology. Select dates in which El Niño 2002 and La Niña 1999 phenomena occurred. Make the classification and validation of land cover based on Landsat images during 2012 and 2013. Perform biometric studies in each study site. Analyze changes on the land cover during El Niño and La Niña phenomena, using Landsat images in comparison with neutral years 2003 and 2012.
Analyze atmospheric information of El Niño, La Niña, and neutral years select. Establish a relationship between NVDI and atmospheric data. Observe impacts of human activities and land cover. Share results.
Help of scientists.
Hello, I'm Vasco Mantes from the Institute of Marine Research at the University of Coimbra in Portugal. It is with great pleasure that I greet in behalf of all my colleagues, all the participants in the Globe meeting, from students to educators and scientific advisors. Globe is indeed an exciting program where young minds can excel in the development of countless exciting and challenging projects across the planet. We at the Remote Sensing Lab, we are very excited about the partnership to help students study land cover changes in response to El Nino. We believe these programs can help students to become motivated to engage in the study of STEM fields and become the innovators of tomorrow, and at the same time raise awareness to global change and the use of space-based technologies as invaluable tools to monitor our home, planet Earth. To all, greetings from Portugal.
Support of the University of the Republic in Uruguay, Faculty of Science, represented by Director Madeleine Renom in the area at Atmospheric Science and Oceans Climate Change Meteorology experts. Support of the National University of Comahue in Argentina, represented by Director Ricardo Crobat, Director of Project Learning to Teach Physics and the Environmental Education Research Group. The first meeting was in November 2012 to 1 December the same year in the National Park Lanín, Junín de los Andes, Neuquén, Argentina. At that first meeting was held the presentation of the research plan, video conference with Peru, teachers workshop, intensive study, site study, National Park Lanín, implementation of GLOBE protocols, and work meeting. Next meeting will be in Buenos Aires and Montevideo on 28 and 30 November 2013. The objectives of meeting are: present the research conducted by each team, analyze the results and draw conclusions regional local, start writing the report of the regional, conduct a study intensive study sites of Buenos Aires and Montevideo, agree on a guidelines for the meeting in Peru 2014.
We'll learn about and talk glove protocols. Working in glove with gas pro order region. I sensed it as will new experience. Best of all was being able to watch nature, snow, volcanic landscape. I will never forget what will never nor the new friends experience and we're waiting we observed.
It's very much helped to interact with people from other regions who were practicing this. If we did not know something, we could definitely ask our friends without having to ask teachers all the time. In this way, we help each other.
I believe that joining several regions and countries to work together is an important cultural exchange. We had never made a field investigation, not even in San Isidro. It was great to come and sit in an agri-technical school.
I think that the fact of working together with third countries is a great opportunity to see how other people work, how they live, how they are as human beings, to see other realities. We plan to continue this work together, keep getting together in different places, and see what change could be present to advance the research.